Hello and welcome to Savor the Southwest. I'm Jacqueline Zoll. Here's a hack, as they call it. Now I have cats. The word hack is not a good word in our lexicon. You hear hack and you go running for the cat because he's barfing somewhere. Anyway, so here's my kitchen hack for the cotton twine that you use to tie up your roasts. Basically, I just took a hole punch, or if you have if you don't have a hole punch, maybe you have an ice pick. Ice picks are very handy to have around the house. Or just a knife and make a little hole in a lid. And there you go. Easy. It doesn't come undone. It stays in the cupboard. It's easy to pull down and use when you need it. And worst comes to worst, if the little end falls in, it's contained. So, how to deal with your twine.